How to use Blend on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily use the new Blend feature on Instagram. First, let's look at what is Blend. Blend is a collaborative reel feed that merges the viewing experience and shared contents of the participants in a direct message chat. It also utilizes Instagram's AI to recommend reels based on the collective interests and interaction of the group. So the feed will update daily, ensuring a fresh mix of content each day. So it also features private sharing, AI-driven recommendations, and daily updates. First thing you have to do is go to your message section on Instagram, but before you do that, make sure that your Instagram is up to date. And then open up a chat, navigate to one-to-one group chat, or you could just go ahead and tap on a personal chat. Then you can invite your friends to Blend. Simply go ahead and tap on any of the chat, and at the top here you'll be able to find this new icon right besides call that's called Blend. Tap on it. Now you can invite this person to Blend, see each other's suggested reels, new reels based on the chat, and invitation only. Each blend is unique to the person who will join, and you can leave the blend anytime you want. Tap on invite, and once they accept your invitation, you can go to blend and start watching reels. Once they accept your blend, you should be able to get the same reels on the same order in the new blend feature. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.